Want to go ahead and support all the horror stuff coming here to Orlando. Oh wow, check this place out, guys. This is the They section. Wow, guys. This is amazing. Look at all the Michael Myers Halloween stuff. We even got the mask from Halloween 3 Season of the Witch. We got some photo opportunities here for sure. Check this out.
Really? Okay, cool.
Really cool here. Check what's behind me. Photo opportunity for sure. And we got the Elvira going on here. And we got the couch. We got some Rocky Board picture show. And look at these candles. Ooh, look at that Freddy one. We got some pins. We got shirts. Check out the shirts. Elvira. These are like all Elvira shirts.
It's like a sketchbook.
So yeah, this place is really cool. Look at this cool exorcist. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna turn it around. You got Annabelle. We got the nun down here. We got stickers. Ready or not. More stickers here. And patches. Wow. Check out the rubber ducks. We got werewolf and Dracula. We got the classics over here. Lots of classics. This is beautiful. So really cool. Let's go and check out more. We got Creature of the Black Lagoon. Lots of posters all over the place. Really cool. We even got a tiki bar over here. Look at this tiki bar. The classic monsters all being tiki out here in this beautiful tiki bar. Some great photo opportunities here, guys. We got wrapping paper from Spooky Cat Press. We love Spooky Cat Press. And some great tikis. We got some books.
Oh my gosh, wait, this one's funny.
Really pretty. Check all of this out. It is so cool here. We got some Atomic Horror shirts. If you want to pick up a shirt from the store, there's the price. Lots of things to see. Check this out. And we got some Pennywise and Gremlin love here. Wow. I'm gonna have to look around without my camera. We got Trick or Treat. We got Chucky. Really cool. We got some more shirts over here. Check this out. Look at this shirt. We got a pillow here. A Toxic Adventure. It's a really cool pillow, and it's like carpety on the other side, and it's really soft and velvety on the top. And we got some puzzles here. We got some Evil Dead 2 weapon. Now we're like in the cabin here of Evil Dead. So lots of theming for the movies. You can see this is the Evil Dead cabin. And we got some horror movies playing on the screen. So yeah, it's really cool here. And then we got some Jason in the woods. And you can see all the Easter eggs that the original Guide of Spooky Empire had come earlier this week, well last week on Friday I believe, and they showed us all the awesome Easter eggs that they have here. Really cool. We got some Jason stuff here, some of the figures, and some more Atomic Horror shirts. And some Michael Myers shirts down there. We got some Jason. And we got some cute little art of Michael Myers being a camp counselor. Basket case. Really cool, guys. And we even got some Gremlins up there. More posters. Check these Gremlins out. Oh my. So amazing here. You guys need to come. This place is super cool. Trying to see if I can see more shirts. We got some more Halloween shirts. And we got some cool stickers. So really cool here at Atomic Horror. See what else they got. So I'm gonna go ahead and oh wait, check this out, the Necronomicon. And here's some Phantasm, zombies. We got some people that really love horror would know these films. We got Silent Night, Deadly Night. It's definitely very horror oriented for those who extremely love horror, because they got some very horror classics that are not as well known unless you're probably a horror fan. But these are awesome shirts, guys. Maniac Cop 2. Look at all these shirts you can get here. Poltergeist. Got some witchy shirts here. Whew, really cool, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take some short videos, get some photos for you guys. But here's the checkout desk here at Atomic Horror. We got some stickers and pins you can get. We even got hand sanitizer. And if you put on those glasses, apparently you can see whatever's on that screen. So let's test it out. So right now you see white. Look at that. And now you can see something. White. See something. Really cool.
Welcome in. Thank you.
Really cool, guys. Here. at Atomic Horror. You need to come out here and check out and support this new business that's come to the Orlando area. What better way to get to the bathroom than seeing this beautiful creature from the Ghoulies? Isn't he cute? Look how cute he is. He's so cute. And we got 237. So it's really cool here at Atomic Horror. But let me go ahead and show you that ghoulie again. So really cool here. Check out some of this other horrors like Candyman, American Werewolf in London. Really cool. Got Evil Dead. We got some Last Dragon.
Yeah.
Really cool, more posters. I mean, puzzles and posters over here. Check out these posters. Wow. They're very black light oriented. Really cool. We got Scream. They got Stranger Things tarot deck here. Oh, this is really cool. And they got some pins and patches. Some Stranger Things cups here. And they're playing Pet Cemetery.
May the Lord make his face to shine upon you.
Check out these cards here. Really cool, guys. Got some journals. Really cool. So I'm gonna turn that camera around. So anyway, yes, we are here at Atomic Horror. Again, you should visit it. I hope you like this video of our little brief walk through Atomic Horror. We did get some merch right there. So again, thanks for watching. Remember, the family that scares together stays together, and see you next video.